So you've received your stained glass tower in the mail. Let's talk about assembly. Start by removing all the pieces from the box. Your tower's made of 4 sections, each built from 2 pieces of Coro, 1 single piece with flaps, and 1 double piece that folds in the middle. Begin with the arch, the top section. Lay the single arch piece face down, then place the double arch piece beside it. Join them along the Velcro edge to form 1 flat section. Build the remaining 3 sections the same way. Single piece, then double piece, joined by Velcro. Keep every section flat as you connect them. Align the bottom of each section to the top of the one below it, hook to loop, and press the Velcro together. Repeat until all 4 sections form 1 long strip, arch at the top. Now stand at the base, opposite the arch, and fold the outer edges up to form a triangle. Working from the base toward the arch, align and press each Velcro seam. Then work back down from arch to base to make sure every seam is secure. Lift the tower from the arch end and tilt it upright. Move it into place. Add your lighting inside or around it, and your tower is ready. A few minutes to set up, and you're free to focus on what matters: worship.